You've probably heard that breakfast is the most important meal of the day. But what if your go-to options like cereal, toast, and fruit juice are doing more harm than good? Welcome to The Food We Eat, a no-diet, no-nonsense video series where we break down how everyday food affects your body, energy, and fat loss. Whether you're a mum trying to help your teen lose weight for a beauty pageant, or a dad supporting a son bulking up for rugby, this series is for you. We'll even uncover the truth about fake supplements women spend thousands on each month. Let's start with breakfast. Most people think they're doing the right thing by eating toast, cereal, or fruit juice. But most store-bought bread, even the low GI kind, is highly processed and turns into sugar the moment it hits your system. That sugar spike is followed by a crash, which triggers hunger, cravings, and fat storage. Cereal is no better. Many are packed with hidden sugars and refined grains, even the so-called healthy ones. Add fruit juice, and you've just had a sugar bomb for breakfast. Even 100% juice with no added sugar can contain as much sugar as a can of Coke, without any of the fiber from whole fruit. Your body treats it like straight-up sugar, spiking your insulin and triggering fat gain. There's also a common misconception that eating fruit can make you fat. But the truth is, it's not the fruit. It's how and when you eat it. Whole fruit, eaten in moderation, is full of fiber, vitamins, and water, all of which slow down the sugar absorption. The problem is when fruit is eaten in excess or juiced. That's when it becomes a fat-storing sugar spike. By commenting, subscribing, and watching to the end, you help the YouTube algorithm spread this info to more people who really need it. Consider it your good deed for the day. Help us help others eat better, feel better, and live healthier. So what's a better way to start the day? Boiled or scrambled eggs, real oats with cinnamon, plain Greek yogurt with chia seeds, Avo on real seed bread. For drinks, try water, rooibos tea, or lemon water. And eat your fruit whole. Don't drink it. And now, here's your bonus for sticking with us till the end. Let's look at the everyday foods most people think are healthy, but are loaded with sugar, peanut butter, most commercial brands, mayonnaise, sweetened yogurt, bread spreads, fruit-flavored drinking yogurt, cereal bars, and even some diabetic treats and rusks. The food we eat isn't just about weight loss. It's about giving your body what it actually needs, without the lies, without the diets. Comment, yes please below, and we'll send you a free breakfast checklist. No email required. Subscribe and stay tuned as we move on to snacks in the next video, exposing even more sugar traps and giving you real tasty alternatives. This is The Food We Eat, where we fuel your body, not fool it.